Okay, in the video tutorial, this time, we're going to discuss how to using SUMIFs formula with two criteria yes or so. These SUMIFs are used for two criteria or more. Well, just go ahead. Here is a table. Then we here will looking for stock which is white. Yeah, stock A. Now let's start making the formula. SUMIFs. This one, yeah. Then there is the sum range, which is we choose, which is stock yes, because we want to add up the stock. Then comma. The first criterion. That first criterion is A. It relates to the mark. Then the one we block, we choose is the mark. Then, comma. I use commas, because based on this description, you see the description later on. Laptop friends. I'm in a comma. Then quotation marks, which is A, because we want to find that A mark of A. Okay, close the quote too. Then comma. The second criterion is white. White is related to color. Means we choose first this one. Then comma. Quotation marks, then white. Then the picking cap. Then close the bracket. We enter. Well, the result is 135. The one in stock is white. Try to find A. Here it is in white. 135 turned out. Correct answer. Then the second one is there are three criteria, which is stock D, color red, then the location west. So there are three criteria. The same way, but the difference here are three criteria. We just make the formula equals SUMIFs. We double click. Then the sum range remains. We choose this stock. Then comma. I use commas. See the caption here then. The first range criteria, which is D. D it is mark. Then we block this. Then comma D. Like this. Then comma again. The second criterion. Criteria range 2 is red. Red is related to color. Then we block this one. Then comma. Red. Next comma. Criteria range 3, which is the west. The west is related to location. I block its location. Then comma. Which is the west. Like this. Then close the bracket. The answer is 110. We see stock D. Young D, ya D. Then red. Looking for the D. Well, here it is red. But west, ya. Location is west or west. This is its correct answer 110. Because only one yes. Is the stock D red? Dom location. West, just one. So the answer is right 110. So, it's pretty easy to use SUMIFs. These SUMIFs are used for two or more criteria yes. We can use SUMIFs. Use the letter S yes behind the word criteria SUMIFs or more to add up data of two or more criteria. Okay, hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.